Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my unboxing of the HPI Venture FJ ready to run truck. First we'll take a look at the box and the packaging. Kind of working within a constrained area, so bear with me a moment. This is the front of the box. And there you got side, kind of gives you a description of the chassis, some of the features. Here's the other side of the box. Here's one of the sides of the box. And a look at the other side. Alright, let's get to opening this up. Alright, with the box opened up, here is how it comes in the packaging. You got the truck on this side, and you got the transmitter and other items on the right side. Take a look at the transmitter first. Alright, here's the HPI transmitter. Trims right there. Looks like these are some items for charging. Comes with extra, looks like drive shaft parts and body post parts, as well as link mount parts. Batteries for the transmitter. A nickel metal hydride plasma battery. Decals and instruction manual. Now we'll take out the truck and take a look at it. Here is how the Venture is packaged inside the box. Covered with a plastic sheet to prevent getting scratched up in the box. Here's the body. A nice, pretty detailed representation of the Toyota FJ Cruiser. These are hard plastic mirrors. This is molded fenders. Hard plastic roof rack. These are just molded Lexan grill with stickers for the lights. Pretty nice body overall. Look at the chassis. Got the rear spare tire right here. Divorced transfer case. What looks like to be most likely another Hobbywing 1060 clone or rebranded OEM. Brushed motor. Steering servo, I've heard, is something that needs to be changed out for something stronger. Battery tray up here. got the link mounts, they're metal link mounts, drive shafts, plastic links. Metal panhard mount. Oh, here's a unique feature. Behind the axle steering link. Right there. That's pretty much it. Can't wait to take it for a whirl. Thanks for watching.